Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have an earwax extraction video for you. This gentleman has been having reduced hearing, a little bit of discomfort as well in the ear canal. It's quite a regular wax builder, but hasn't had his ears cleaned out for a few years. So we're just going to use the standard size ulnar tube. Gentleman's been using a little bit of olive oil, so we've got a nice soft face to the wax. We should be able to get a nice good secure suction grip on it with his ulnar. Just wiggling up and down to work this wax out. I've got no idea how big this piece will be, but as you can see, it's considerably big. The white section you can see there is just a little bit of dead skin. When you look at the canal wall then, this piece of wax was actually filling the majority of the ear canal. So we've just got some soft wax debris just sitting on the canal wall there. So just going to use the ulnar tube just to take a bit of this away. Just suctioning little tiny pieces. I mean, this amount of wax isn't really going to cause any issues, but you can see that just over the ridge there's a little bit of softer wax closer to the drum. So I'm just going to go in with the ENT fine end here. Just working just over the top of that little ridge, keeping the endoscope nice and low just so we can see what's going on there. There we are. Just going to do another quick check. You can see that just to the right there's a little tiny leading edge of a bit of wax there, so we're just going to go in and grab that. There we go. So that's the eardrum there, looking a little bit duller than we normally would. So here you can see the size of that piece of wax. We were just under 2.5 centimeters. So there's the standard ulnar and the ENT fine end there. So yeah, quite a considerable piece of wax, that one. And to come in, it was one of the biggest ones we've taken out in one piece. Patient felt much better. I thought you can hear a great deal more after that came out. So as always guys, if you did enjoy the video, then if you don't mind liking, sharing, and if you're not subscribed already, pop a subscription on as well, because we do upload twice a week, so on a Tuesday and a Friday. And as always guys, take care.